All right, guys, we're going to play with some Bergaras today, but we're going to do it in quick format. A couple of different ones, custom barrel, stock barreled action. I want the configuration switched. Let's go. First barreled action to come out is the custom with a 26-inch Krieger and an Elfman trigger. Let's get it out. Kapow! There it is. Next up, my factory barreled action, heavy barreled action from A&J Sporting Goods. Currently set up with an Athlon second focal plane bench rest scope, and in my MDT XRS. Swapping it out. First reconfiguration done. Now Elfman trigger and 26-inch Krieger on the XRS, and with the bench rest scope from Athlon. Next configuration, Gunworks Verdict stock, Bergara heavy barrel factory barreled action, Bix and Andy trigger, and a right-on 5 Conquer 4-28. Warren Mountain Tex on and torqued. And here we go. Kind of in more of a traditional PRS setup. Gunworks, right-on, Bergara, and Bix and Andy with Warren Mountain Tex. All right, let's see how it does. I know you guys can't see what I'm looking at, but I'm sure she shoots all right. On the dueling tree. Got it. Need an adjustable mag latch. Got it. Come to find out, I need a little more or a little less rail than what I have here. So this is more just a verification that everything still works until I can get a new rail. Hey, shooting really high. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me get these moved over into their new configurations. And yes, this is a hint. Things are coming back to the channel. Hope you tune in and see what we got going on. These will play front and center with the comeback and some other things that you probably don't see coming. In case you were wondering why I was gone, this takes up all my time. Right there, him. Yep, all the time, right there, gone, all time.